Welcome to PageProof, the smarter way to review anything and everything. You can easily create proofs directly from Adobe Creative Cloud applications such as Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, PremierePro and InCopy, and send them out to a PageProof workflow. Once the to-do list has been returned, we'll show you in this video how easy it is to view the comments along with the corresponding pins layered over the artwork. Then, how to mark these to-dos as done and upload a new version. This round trip of sending out a proof, making the changes, marking the to-dos as done, and then sending out a new version directly from Adobe CC apps with the PageProof add-on will save designers huge time and effort. Step 1. Open your creative file in your Adobe application. Go to Window, Extension, and select PageProof to open the add-on. Sign into your PageProof account if you've not yet done so. Step 2. Open your inbox and select the proof that you want to view the to-do list. Proofs that have to-do list returned are indicated in green and will display a comments icon. Selecting a comment will reveal the pin position layered over the artwork. If there's an attachment to that comment, you'll see a download icon beside it. You can also triple-click the comment text to select it. Once the change has been made to the artwork, tick Done beside the comment. If you want to see the comments that have been marked as done, use the drop-down to move between all comments, comments that have been ignored, comments marked as to-do, and comments that have been marked as done. When all the changes have been made, click the Create New Version icon next to the proof name to upload a new version of the proof. If you have further questions about bringing comments back into your Adobe Creative Cloud application, you can ask our team via the in-app chat on your dashboard. PageProof, the smarter way to review.